Tell me. A says, good job, ah. What does B say? But like fungi, right. What does C say? Good job. What does D say? Good job. What does E say? No. What does E say? Eh? Eh? Okay, what does F say? Like fly, right. What does G say? G. G. Good job.
Like daddy.
Go like that. What does H say? Good job. What does I say? Icky, right. What does J say? No, J.
J said jump, jump, jump.
Yeah, J says jump, 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 like jump. What does K say?
Jump.
Wait, what does K say? Kick, kick. Like kick.
Bushes.
The bushes. What does L say?
La,
La, No, like lollipop.
Lollipop. Jump,
What
jump.
does M say? Right. What does N say?
No.
Like no. Good job. What does O say? What does P say?
Like pee.
Like pee pee? What does Q say? Qua.
Jump. This is jump.
I know. What does R say? That's right. Right. What does S say?
Like sink.
Good job. What does T say? Like your toes?
Yeah.
What does U say?
Jump,
No, U. What does U say?
jump.
No, U says like umbrella.
Umbrella. This way. My umbrella.
What does V say? Right. What does W say? What? What does X say? That's right. What does Y say?
Give my right sound.
What does Y sound say? Yeah. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does Z say? You're right. Like a buzz.
Buzz.
Like zzz, like a buzz, like a bee. Good job.
Wow, you did it.
I like it.
Do you like your alphabet?
I like